Learning Lilies. I'm Anvita.
And I'm Ashmita.
And today we're learning all about non-Newtonian fluids.
If you don't know what a non-Newtonian fluid is, it's basically a liquid and a solid.
Can you name a sauce that's a non-Newtonian fluid? That's right, it's ketchup.
That's why it's so hard to get out of the bottle.
Now, we're going to make some non-Newtonian fluids. But we're not making ketchup,
We're making Oobleck.
So, the ingredients you'll be needing to make Oobleck is cornstarch and water.
Also, you're going to need a bowl
And food coloring is optional. Now, let's get ready.
Let's get started.
Okay, first we're going to take our cornstarch and put it in our bowl. It depends on how much Oobleck you want.
Yeah. If you
So-
get a lot of cornstarch, then
It's a lot of Oobleck.
yeah. Now we got the cornstarch. Now we're going to put in the water.
So we pour in the water. Okay, good. Now we mix it, and when you mix it, you're already gonna start feeling like hard. And then we're gonna put in the food coloring too. We're picking green and orange because it's Halloween.
It's October and it's going to be Halloween, so we picked Halloween colors. Yes, pumpkin colors.
Okay, so I'm gonna put some green in there.
Okay, now
Not
I'm
too
going
much.
to do it.
Okay, now I'm gonna. So now we've mixed our Oobleck and it turned out really nice. What you can do is you can experiment and you can like play with it. Like you could punch it. Like when you punch the Oobleck, it like hits really hard. And like when you crunch it or like that. And then
it's really
when you
hard.
let go of the Oobleck,
And
it just drips.
Yeah, it's like,
You want to demonstrate?
yeah.
Like do it. Whoa. It's so fun. Now, what Oobleck is like when you mix the water and the cornstarch molecules gather in between the water molecules, and then when they mix together, they have both the properties of a solid and a liquid. So it's really cool how it does that. As you can see, it's really, really soft, but when you punch it, here's something you could do. Like, put your hands in slowly, then take it out really, really fast. Whoa. It's super cool. When you're playing with it as a solid, when you like roll it around in your hand, it's a solid and it's hard. But when you let go, it just drips out. So like, scrunch it up like this.
And a ball.
And a ball, and make it like this. And then when you let go, it just drips out. It's so fun.
Really fun. I love it.
It's a ball, and then let go, liquid. So,
Oh, this is so cool.
so fun. When you're disposing it or throwing it away,
Don't
don't
throw
put
it
down
down
the
your drain. It will clog your drain. Just, you can tie it off in a bag and then just throw it in the trash.
Yeah. That's how you make Oobleck. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share. Bye.
See you next time.